Hey guys, so this is a rotifer. We've looked at these before. It's a microscopic animal and they live in fresh water. And we're just going to look at how it eats and just watch it for a little bit, I guess. Oh, there's a cilia. Wow, that was interesting. It looked like it actually kind of like attached to it for a second there. Wasn't expecting that. So those little hairs at the front that are spinning constantly like that, they're like a tiny fan or like a vacuum, basically. They're called cilia. And they pull water and swirl it around towards its mouth. So that's its mouth opening with those little swirling hairs there. And that pulsing structure you can see inside is kind of like its teeth. It's got two little hard bits of material there that are mashing together constantly. And those particles it pulls in with its little vacuum, it crushes up in that little jaw structure kind of thing. And that's called the mastax. And it's crazy just to think the whole thing is smaller than a grain of sand. And it just does all this stuff automatically, constantly, nonstop, just to stay alive. You know what I mean? So, if you guys want more explanations of stuff like this, be sure to leave a comment. If there's any other kind of stuff you guys want to see, I'm going to try to keep posting at least once a week. I'm back in school right now, so things are a little busy, but, you know, we're going to make it work. Look at that. Pretty nice. Anyways, see you guys. Thanks for watching.